Hey people, so considering these different reviews kind of totally make a difference with regard to how we would the kind of movies we want to watch on Netflix. So there's this show called Hasmukh that stars Veer Das and Ranveer Shauri, and it gives us a peek into the kind of struggles that a small time comic stand up artist has to go through. I mean, it's I had attended one of Veer Das's live shows, and what I noticed about this gentleman was that it's remarkable, but considering he's suffered through depression, and he's seen some really rough phases, like in his childhood he was in some part of Africa, so think so his trademark style is to find humor in even these in very grim surroundings. So Hasmukh, as much as the title is like that, uh, it's actually it's all about trying to see the brighter side of things, but since the reality around is a bit grim or dark or whatever, it's you know but it's interesting. It's a very interesting watch. That's what I would say. So try and check it out, people. And Ranveer Shauri, put him in any role and he shines. So really, yeah, for these two people in particular, you need to watch the series. It's called Hasmukh and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.